Halos? What happened to Halos? That's bright. That's bright. Alright, so we're here at Jake's again, and we're going to be installing underglow in that car. So, as you guys know, I have Glowy Industries underglow, and today we're gonna be installing that on that one. So stick around if you want to watch that. I'll probably just won't bore you with the same thing over and over, but I'll just give you the main events, and you guys will see the highlights. So let's go with it.
So you want to pull these off to mount the grips to them?
All right, so far we have connected the inline well, that's gonna be the ground, an inline fuse to go after the relay, and then we have, before the relay, we're gonna have an inline fuse again. This double protection, you don't need it, you may need only one. Then after that we have the controller, and from the controller is going to be through the front strips. Then from the front strips we're going to install in the bumper. We're going to have the side skirt with the strip, and then which is going to be here, and we're going to be installing right at the back, and that should be your fair install. What are we doing here, guys? You left them too tight on my side. Oops. I didn't keep it PG-13. Yeah, I like that they're using silicone now. Is that silicone? What do you mean?
It's just clear double-sided tape.
No, it's silicone.
Okay.
It's not.
No, there's no such thing as peel backing silicone.
Fine. No, all right, so we're pretty much done. We have finally installed, well, with the exception of still doing some zip ties on the back. But so we were able to do exactly the same thing we always do, which is running from the front, from the battery, goes power into the inside of the car, and comes right back out to the strips, which in this case we have the cables right here, and then the controller. Same setup where we have an actual relay, and the relay we have an actual switch where it is on and off. And James, you all good? Not yet? No, not yet. Okay. We're gonna not flash the lights on his face, so we're just gonna wait a little bit. But so yeah, so then we have that there, and then you obviously run it through each wheel well, strips, wheel wells, cable, and then one strip on the back. And then obviously he's waiting for a lip, so you're able to see the strips right there. But when he gets the lip,
for testing purposes.
But so this thing is bright, so whenever James finishes on the back, I'm gonna turn it on for you guys so you guys can see how it is, how bright it is. You excited?
Very.
Can you turn on your halos for now?
Just key in.
Oh, you have to have the key on? Okay. Oh wait, so then turn off the switch, because otherwise you're gonna flash James. It's gotta be middle position. And make sure you don't close the door on it, because I did it. Yeah, I closed the door on the switch and it messed it up. So as you can see, he has some halo work done on his headlights. So now he's gonna complete it with the underglow, which is gonna be dope. What's gonna be next?
I don't know.
Wheel rings?
No. No, the Brembos need to be next.
Brembos, yeah, we're gonna put Brembos on this. So I know this was a short episode because I didn't want to just do the same thing I always do, which is posting the same stuff, running, taking the bumpers off and all that. But it's just, you know, the closing remarks is what was the things that were difficult in this build is that the side skirts, they're not side skirts, they're like what?
They're just a factory skirt cover.
Factory skirt covers, and they have a groove where you can put them, but there's like the clips where you put them in, but the clips themselves, when you run the strip, it takes a little space from it, so you have to get creative on putting some zip ties. So as you can see here, like you can see how we zip tied it around it, and then that way we put some silicone because it was starting to pop up since the strip itself was not holding after we had to move it with a clip, which was better on this side. But other than that, is you run the cable around the wheel well and run the back wheel well, and ultimately you plug the strips in. Same setup, you run the cables through the middle of the car in here and splits as a Y, one side to another side. And yeah, so that's that concludes the install. I'm just gonna show you some images on the light when it's done, so stay tuned. And there you have it. Halos, what happened to Halos? That's bright. That's bright. Welcome to the band. Welcome to the gang, huh? Oh, you're missing now some wheel rings.
Absolutely not.
Some
Wow, you already got the headlights in it.
yeah. That's really bright. It is bright.